The brief is the argument Dr. Hughes will use in court on Monday when a Douglas County judge considers the state lawsuit seeking to block Omaha's mask mandate. Hughes says, contrary to the state's argument, she exercised the authority granted to her to protect the public's health.
I am hoping, beyond hope, that that comes down as quickly and precipitously as it rose.
That was Dr. Hughes Wednesday, 1 week after issuing her mask mandate for the city of Omaha. In the brief filed defending that mandate, attorneys for Dr. Hughes say those seeking to stop it, quote, simply disagree with requiring the wearing of masks, something the brief calls a common sense mitigation strategy. A spokesperson for Nebraska Attorney General Doug Peterson says his lawsuit is not about masks, but rather Hughes' authority. The state alleges Hughes overstepped and needed state approval before putting the mandate in place.
And it takes away from the democratic process that the city council is the one with the authority.
But in the defense response, attorneys for the doctor say Omaha's city ordinance explicitly gives her that authority and argue the state is leaving out relevant parts of city and state law in an attempt to make its case.
Ultimately, I was brought here to protect the public, and that is what I am trying to do.
The defense brief says the mandate is a, quote, rational measure intended to mitigate the number of new COVID-19 cases. It's temporary, with minor requirements to address an immediate health need that is beyond dispute. The defense contends an injunction is a, quote, extraordinary remedy that should be reserved only when there is actual and substantial injury. Attorneys for Hughes say the most significant injury would be to the citizens of Omaha if she stopped from acting on their behalf and if politicians are allowed to prioritize measures other than the health of Omahans. You can read the brief in this story on KETV.com. Live in the newsroom, Joey Safchik, KETV Newswatch 7.
Okay.